Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see drawing basics where we will practice more types of shapes and types of lines. Before starting, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. To start with, we will need one paper and pencil. So pencil should be sharpened properly, so I am sharpening it first and then we will start drawing lines. Now it is sharpened properly, so we'll start. We will start with horizontal lines first, so like this. Before that, I'll tell you how to hold a pencil. You should not hold a pencil at very start, it needs more pressure. That's why you should hold your pencil here the way I have hold it, so that whatever pressure it needs, it gets properly. So like this, let's start drawing. I am drawing lines in one box only, you can practice more. Now we will draw vertical lines. Please make sure while drawing lines you should not move your paper should be still and you will move your hand accordingly. We will draw lines from all angles, so we will do it from diagonal way as well. And this is done. Now from another side. Now we will do all four in one square. For that, draw one dot and from there start drawing lines. If you practice more, you will get the confidence in the distance of the lines. So try more. Now we will draw more circular shapes from all angles. Now this is done. Now like this we will try to draw circular lines in common. So for that I'll draw dot first and we'll try to draw lines from there, curved lines. Now we will draw some shapes. First I'll try triangle. Now we will try square. Now circle. Now we will try two oval shapes. First vertical oval and horizontal oval. we'll draw curved lines in all shapes like vertical, horizontal and diagonal as well. And this is done. Now we will try some zigzag lines. This is vertical zigzag line. This is horizontal zigzag line. Now we will try more types of lines like half circular line. And this is reverse of the same. These are some more shapes that I am trying. This can be helpful while drawing. Now we will try to create boxes with the lines. So for that you will have to draw diagonal lines in two ways. So that becomes a small block. Now this is a type of line like 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Now this is a horizontal dotted line that I am drawing right now. Same way vertical dotted line. This is like dotted line with dots, like line dot line dot line dot line dot. This is a type of zigzag line again. Now we will draw short vertical lines. Similarly, short horizontal lines. This is the random shape that I am trying. And it's done. Practice these basic lines and shapes daily to improve your hand control and the confidence in drawing. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more art practice sessions.